Today we're going to talk about lines and transversals. A line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at two different points is called a transversal. For example, line T would be considered the transversal. Two lines in a transversal form 8 angles. Some pairs of angles have special names. We have interior angles, which it makes sense that they would lie on the inside of the two lines. So these angles here would be considered interior because they are on the inside. Interior, inside. Those angles would include angles 4, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 6. Interior angles. Exterior angles are outside of the line. It makes sense that exterior angles would be outside of the lines. There are 4 exterior angles. That would include angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, and angle 7. We also have same-side interior angles. So when we take a look at our interior angles, we see that we have some that are on the left and some that are on the right. So if they're on the same side, they're considered same-side interior angles, such as angles 4 and angle 5. Also, same-side interior would include angles 3 and 6. Those are same-side interior angles. There's another special relationship, though, with interior angles, which includes alternate interior angles. They are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. For example, angle 4 and angle 6 are considered alternate interior angles because they are on opposite sides, but they're still on the inside. Also, angle 5 and 3 would be considered alternate interior angles. Let's talk about alternate exterior angles. It's the same idea, except for this time we're looking at the exterior angles, and we want them to be on opposite sides but be outside. Opposite side would be angle 1 and angle 7. They're opposite and they're exterior. So they're called alternate exterior angles, angles 1 and 7. Also, 2 would be alternate exterior with 8. Angles 2 and 8 are considered alternate exterior. And lastly, we have my favorite one, which is called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal and on the same side of the lines the transversal intersects. For example, angle 1 corresponds to angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 4 corresponds to angle 8. So angle 4 and angle 8. Notice they're both on the left side. On the right side, we would have angles 2 and 6. They would be considered corresponding. And angles 3 and 7. All right, that's it.